How much should pop-up drink stands budget for equipment maintenance? Most pop-up drink stands should set aside about 10 to 15% of their monthly equipment value for repairs and upkeep, which usually works out to somewhere between $50 and $150 a month, depending on how much gear you run. Think of your blender, your ice machine, and your cooler like a bicycle you ride every single day. If you never oil the chain or check the tires, one day it just stops working when you need it most. The same thing happens with drink stand equipment because sugar, syrup, and moisture sneak into small parts and cause them to wear out faster than people expect. A lot of vendors do not know that ice machines actually need their filters cleaned every 2 weeks, not just once a month, because mineral buildup from water is one of the sneakiest reasons machines break down early. Another thing hardly anyone talks about is keeping a small logbook for every piece of equipment, writing down the date you cleaned or fixed something, because this helps you catch patterns before a full breakdown happens. If you set aside a little money each week instead of waiting for a big expense, it feels a lot less painful and keeps your stand running without surprise closures. One big thing to watch for is power surges, especially if you are plugging into shared outlets at events, since a sudden surge can quietly damage motors over time, so a simple surge protector for about $15 can save you hundreds later. Another key point is rust and corrosion on metal parts that touch ice and water daily, so wiping everything dry at the end of each day is a small habit that adds years to your equipment's life. Lastly, many vendors forget to check their propane or electrical connections weekly, and a quick 5-minute inspection can prevent a dangerous situation before it ever starts. If you enjoyed this, check out our online directories in the description below.